Alright guys, Ryan here again from the London Craftsman. It's been a while since we last did a video, so especially the one with the hot tub, which was one of my first videos. And yeah, I think it's about 3 years, and the last video I made of it running, showing you how it ran after I built it, was a bit naff, as it was one of my first videos, so I thought I'd show you just a little update. So, here it is. See, we just had a party, so we got all the bunting out, and there she is, 4 years old. Here's the inside. So the inside at the moment, I'm filling it up, as you can see, with the hose. The hose goes all the way to the kitchen. As you can see, I've got solar panels, so during the day it's heating up the hot water, and then because we've got an old school boiler, which is a tank, we get 150 litres of hot water for free. And it's really bright out, so we've got a hot tank of water at the moment, which I'm taking off the kitchen tap and filling the hot tub up, and that goes all the way in here, and it just connects up there. As you can see, there's the filter pump, and there's the heater. Here you've got some lights, a bit of shelter, so when I use it, I can have the lights on and a bit sheltered from the rain if it does rain. Like I said, the blower, this one's not heated anymore, this is just a cold blower, but if you've had it on for 5 minutes it warms up anyway, the machine does, and it does actually blow out warm air, so it's a bonus without using as much electricity. This is the manifold here, so as you can see, the air gets pumped through all the way down, it goes into a manifold which is there, and then it splits off from all of these into, I think it's 12 separate jets, which then run underneath the hot tub. And those little silver things there at the bottom, they're jets, and there's 4 underneath each bench, 4 in the middle, and again 4 there. That circle there, that is the out for the water filter, and just down the side, you can see just down there, that sucks in the water, so there's a constant supply of the water being filtered and pushed back in. And like I said before, this machine in the corner, that is a Best Way water heater as well. It's a 2 kilowatt one, I think, 2.5. So you can have that on, and it's automatic, it just filters, it just heats the water up to whatever temperature you want. But like I said, I use the solar panel water every day I want to use it, or every 2 days I use it. I literally just drain out 50 litres of water and top it up with boiling hot water, and it keeps it hot. The benches I made from the same material as I use for the cladding, which is 4x1 sawn tannalised, and the inside is, I think it's an IBC container. Check out my first video for how I built it. As you can see here, I've got a little temperature gauge being dipped into the water at the moment. It's coming out at 51 degrees. So when it gets to halfway, I start adding some cold water, and eventually my water line will be, 2 inches behind the wood, and it comfortably fits 2 people. It has fitted in 4 people once we've had a few beers. But with these benches, I noticed that they start to float when I put them in, so I had to tie them together with a piece of timber, and then I had an upright timber here which attaches to the framework at the top, and that got over the problem, so now they both don't float, and they've weathered nicely, and as you can see, it's nice and clean. When I'm waiting for the old hot water to heat up again on the solar panels, I just bung these Celotex panels on, and that'll keep it warm. And then once they're hot, I'll take them off and fill the rest up, so I'm not losing too much heat. Bearing in mind this whole thing is full of Celotex and expanding foam, it only really loses about 1 degree, 1.5 degrees of heat overnight, even if it's a freezing cold night. Right guys, here we go, fully working. As you can see, 40.3 degrees, nice and hot. Big enough for 2, or one in the sun. There you go, give it a go yourself, why not? Ciao.